Today I'll show you my watch. This is Ferrari. The model number and the price I'll mention in the description, or you can see in the video. It's showing there. So this is a very nice watch I purchased for my nephews. Actually, I'm having a two watch. One is this is red and black Ferrari, and another one is yellow one. So in the next video you can see the reviews for the another watch. Look at this, very nice. It's rubber or silicone, something like. The strap is written Ferrari. Okay, black and red color. Inside the dial it's also black and red. See, I'll just open it. This is kind of button, no? Very nice watch. I will just wear it and I will show you. See, it's very nice watch. Previously I have done reviews on the diesel watch. I will show you that also in the same video. See, this is a diesel watch. I already made a review on this, so no need to go for detailed explanation. Look at this, very nice watch. If I wear it, my hands are very thin, not like a fatty hand, but its dial is very big dial. Look at the finishes, very nice finishes, very nice. Changing color also. When if you see in the dark, look at the color, two colors. Sometimes see, this is another color. Very nice. Okay guys, I'll stop the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.